Happy morning to all. Now we are going to discuss about algebraic expressions, exercise number 12.2, first question. So the question is simplify combining like terms. So before starting the question, first let us see the definition of like terms. Terms which have the same algebraic factors are called like terms. So the first question, 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 21b. Here the variable is b. So first rearrange the terms, then we get 21b plus 7b minus 20b minus 32. So in these three terms we have the same factor, that is the same variable. The variable is b. So you take this b as common. Okay, then we get in bracket you write 21 plus 7. Here we have minus 20b. So we take b as outside, means the balance is minus 20. So you close the bracket and then you write b minus 32. So here we have 21 plus 7 minus 20. Already we discussed about integer. So you add these two numbers, then we get 28 minus 20. So when we subtract it, means we get 8b minus 32. This is our answer. So when we do the calculations on the time, you rearrange the numbers by like terms, then you add or subtract. Okay. So next sum, minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. Here the variable is z, but z having this different power. So here z square. So these two terms are like terms, and here z. So these two terms, that is minus 5z minus 15z. So these two terms are like terms. So we rearrange the terms, then we get minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z minus 15z plus 7z cube. Then in these two terms you take z square as common, then we get minus 1, because minus z square means minus 1 into z square. So when we take z square as common, means balance we have minus 1. So minus 1 plus 13 of z square, plus in these two terms we have z is common, so we take z outside. So minus 5 minus 15 of z plus 7z cube. Now we calculate it, minus 1 plus 13. So integer addition. So we get 12 as answer, 12z square plus, here these two numbers having the same sign, so you add it, then we get minus 20 as answer. So minus 20z plus 7z cube. Now 12z square plus, here we have plus of minus 20. So you product these two signs, means we get minus. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 20z plus 7z cube. Now we rearrange by power wise. So 7z cube, then plus 12z square minus 20z. That's our answer.